Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to center the Lightbox image count in the Divi Gallery module. This simple visual tweak helps create a cleaner, more balanced presentation and makes it easier for visitors to track their progress within the image set. It's especially useful for galleries with larger images or longer captions, helping to maintain consistent alignment in your design. Let's dive in. If you're looking for an easy, no-code way to center the Lightbox image count in your Divi Gallery, the Divi Gallery Booster plugin is a great option. This plugin, which is also accessible through Divi Booster, provides built-in font controls specifically for the Lightbox image count. With these controls, you can adjust the alignment directly within the Divi Builder. It's a straightforward approach that allows you to achieve a cleaner, more balanced Lightbox layout without diving into custom code. You can find more details about the plugin and how to get started in the accompanying post. To get started, open your page in the Divi Builder and add a gallery module. Once the module is placed, head into the gallery settings. Under the Content tab, you'll see an option labeled Add Gallery Images. Click this button to open the image selection menu. From there, navigate to the Media Library tab and choose the images you'd like to include in your gallery. Once you've made your selections, simply click the Select button and the images will be added to your gallery. With your images added to the Gallery module, head over to the Design tab in the Gallery settings. Scroll down until you find the Lightbox Image Count section and click to expand it. In this section, you'll see the text alignment controls. Simply select the Center Alignment option, and the image count text in your Lightbox will align perfectly to the center. This adjustment takes effect immediately, giving your gallery a cleaner and more polished appearance. Once you've made your adjustments, don't forget to save your page. Simply click the Divi Builder Save button located in the top right corner of the screen. After saving, head to the front end of your site and open any of the gallery images in the Lightbox. You should now see the image count, like 1 of 2, beautifully centered beneath the gallery image, giving your design a polished and professional finish. And that's it. With just a few simple adjustments, your Divi Gallery Lightbox now displays the image count perfectly centered. This small change adds a cleaner, more professional look to your gallery, enhancing the overall user experience. Thanks for watching.